Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you this Arbitrum Airdrop news. I'm going to tell you how to boost your rewards when the Arbitrum Airdrop comes up. This is with the Gitcoin donation. I will explain why I think this is important and why I think you could get a very nice boost on your rewards of the airdrop like was with Optimism. I will tell you exactly what to do, what you need to do step by step in this guide, so you don't miss this airdrop boost. Also, we have some hints on Enigma from Arbitrum that maybe the Odyssey could return, or maybe this is the airdrop coming soon. So we are going to check all that and more news of Arbitrum, but basically I want to explain to you how to be a Gitcoin donor in order to get more rewards in your airdrop. This is very important video. If you're following the airdrop for Arbitrum, you need to see this video until the end. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, like you know, I have been covering in my last videos on the last 2-3 weeks all what you need to do in order to get the best performance of the airdrop of Arbitrum that for sure is coming this year. How to be a DAO voting, how to get the NFT for Odyssey, how to make transactions in Arbitrum Nova and also in Arbitrum One. Everything that you need to do step by step is here in my videos. Go to the section of videos, search for Arbitrum here, and you will get everything there. Today's video we are continue with this. I think this is one of the last videos for that. And with this you will be completely covered to get the maximum airdrop possible that you can get, like was with Optimism. Like you know, I am basing all my reviews on this documentation for what was the airdrop for Optimism. Like you know, Optimism is the biggest competitor right now of Arbitrum, and we can expect a similar airdrop for Arbitrum like was for Optimism. And like you can see, for Arbitrum there was a couple of things to accomplish in order to boost your rewards. I will put, of course, like always, the links on the description for this. But basically, being a Gitcoin donor on a layer 1 solution was one of the things that will boost your rewards here. Like you can see, for Optimism there was 24,000 people wallets that was okay to get this, and each of them received 555 more tokens, which at the $2 all-time high, this was $1,000 more on the airdrop, but also will help you to get this boost, because these overlap bonuses, if you have 4 categories from this, besides being an Optimism user, you will get 4,000 tokens more, 13,000 tokens more, or 27,000 tokens more, which at the top, this 27,000 was $50,000, guys. So I recommend you to check all my videos, because I am giving you, and I think I am the only YouTuber doing these exact step-by-step videos for everything, so you can maximize your possibilities to be one of the biggest whales for the airdrop of Arbitrum. So what is Gitcoin Donors? We are going to cover that right now. Gitcoin donors have chosen to behave in a positive sum ways by funding public goods. These addresses may also align with Optimism goal to build sustainable funding sources for public goods enough, like retroactive funds ENG. So what are public goods? So in economics, a public good refers to a commodity or a service that is made available to all members of a society. Typically, these services are administered by governments and paid for collectively through taxation. Examples of public goods include law enforcement, national defense, and the rule of law. Public goods also refer to more basic goods, which are interesting for us, such as to clean air and drinking water. So anything basic that a human being needs, it will be part of this public good definition. So the criterion for this for Optimism was addresses that has made an on-chain donation through Gitcoin on layer 1 solutions, and remember that. This includes any donation, regardless of it was during a matching round. Matching rounds was how was divided, and the rounds on the application itself of Gitcoin Donors that we are going to check now. So for the time period between the round 1 and 5, we included addresses who interact with Gitcoin contracts send legacy execute subscription calls, or appeared in the Gitcoin Donors API. If we go to the Gitcoin Donors API, you can see the URL here of the JSON file, and this is the JSON file like it looks. You may think this is super complicated to read, but actually everything that is between these keys means that this is one user with one address. So from here they took the information of the eligible addresses from this between round 1 and round 5. For the period between round 6 and 13, the present one, we included donors' addresses in the Gitcoin bulk checkout contract transaction logs. Basically, like said here, this includes any donation and regardless if it was during a matching round. So we don't need to really worry about this. What we need to really do is just make a donation on a layer 1 solution in Gitcoin.co. So let's go to do that step by step, guys. First, you need to go to Gitcoin.co. This is the homepage. This is the application and the homepage where you can do the donations. For this purpose of the video, I recommend you to choose Ethereum as the layer 1 solution. You can see here in blockchains that you can select projects to donate that could be in another networks, but I am only donating in Ethereum because Arbitrum belongs to Ethereum as a layer 2 solution, so I think makes more sense to do that. But you can try to donate more than one here, that doesn't matter. I am already logging here. If you are not logged in first, you need to create an account. This is an account from GitHub. It's very easy to create it, so create the account, and once you are logged in, you can go here to grants, to this section grants, and you will see that we have 3,265 grants here to pick up. So you can explore the grants here, you can filter them. I am filtering them because of the network, so I am choosing Ethereum here. And here is where you need to find out where you need to donate. So remember that they are counting public goods. So what I did was reading this and selecting ones that looked to me like a public good. For example, Better is building a Web3 movement for planet positive impact because Earth is not fungible, so let's not burn it. So this look like they are really helping to the sustainability and the green aspect of the planet. So I think that could count as a valid donation for me. So I will click add to the cart. Let's go down here to find out more. For example, this one, Ogalala Life, our mission is to learn, develop, use, and deploy Web3 tools to restore watersheds and wetlands, function and recharge groundwater on and. So yeah, this really looks like they are hyping a public good. You can see here Blockchain Infra Carbon Offset Working Group. Vechain Foundation works to empower communities and co-create global systems to achieve and reward ecological regeneration. So that looks good. So I am adding that to the cart too. So this is part of the review that you need to do. The only thing that I did after checking all the public goods that I wanted to donate was search here Arbitrum, just in case there are particular projects to donate for Arbitrum. I wanted to select that, and like you can see, for example, this Roche ticket on Arbitrum Nova, Web3 app to create events and sell NFT tickets. So I really wanted, just in case, to add one project that is directly related to Arbitrum and maybe it's not a public good. So that is not a recommendation, it's what I did. You can do it or not. So once that you have selected all the ones that you want to donate, remember, first of all, you need to, after you are logged in, connect your wallet. I use MetaMask, and I connected in Ethereum mainnet, so it's not in Arbitrum, I am connected in Ethereum. And once you finish to select all the ones that you want to go, you have your charts here, go to checkout. I selected 4 grants here. So let's go to check out this. You will be redirected to your cart, and you can put here the available coins that you can pay. I will select Ethereum. I will put here how much I want to donate for each project, and I don't want to donate too much really because I don't have too much in this wallet. So I will put here the amount currency. I will apply everyone. So once that you have selected and put here the amount that you are going to donate on each of them, you can click here, I'm ready to check out, standard checkout. You need to confirm the transaction, and wait here, don't close this tab. Confirm that you are not a bot. And that's it, guys. You will see this announcement. Thank you for contributing to open source. And you can see here the amount that you donated in each of these projects. There's not a minimum or a maximum that you need to donate in order to get the boost of your airdrop according to Optimism. So I just donated a little bit just to be sure that this works. And if you want to maximize your match, you need to verify more your account with your passport and another stuff if you want. But basically, after you did this, you are already here. You can share that in your Twitter account, and you can see here your transactions. So you see that says that contributed to the tapestry here, the transaction status. So everything is okay, guys. So doing that, if they don't count a specific date from your Gitcoin donation, this will be it, guys. It's super easy. Just remember to create the account and do everything here in the steps that I show in the video. And if they include this in the Arbitrum Airdrop, you probably are going to get a boost on your rewards. Guys, that is all for this video. But before leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me in Twitter at CryptoState because I post a lot of things that are interesting there. For example, I posted that Off-Chain Labs acquires Prismatic Labs, which was the leading Ethereum consensus client team. So basically this means that Arbitrum is getting one of the core development teams that architected the merge and build of Prism. So this is huge for the company and the leading company of Arbitrum. They have the team that has been developing all the merge of Ethereum. So there's a very big acquisition there. And also in the October 11, Arbitrum posted this, the 2 hearts, which are the key code right now on Arbitrum, plus an interrogative sign is equal to soon. And many people is speculating that this is the comeback of Odyssey, for example, or this is that soon we are going to have the airdrop. So if that is mean, you can see the autumn leaf there, and you can see a parachute. So this is the airdrop. Many people are speculating to that. I think the airdrop is close. Let's hope that everything that we are doing is part of the airdrop requirements. We don't know that, we are speculating, but I think you don't lose anything just to donate a little bit for a couple of good projects, and you may get a very nice reward and reboost on your Arbitrum airdrop. Guys, that is all for the video. And please, if you find value in this video, share this in one of your social media. That will help me a lot to grow the channel. Thank you, and I see you in the next video. Bye.